What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back with another video, and today I'll be finally hitting y'all with that much anticipated Air Jordan 1 lacing tutorial, man. So as y'all know, it's hella Jordans releasing. You got these releasing, these releasing, these releasing, these releasing, and you need to know how you're gonna rock your laces, man. And so I'm gonna give y'all that tutorial today so y'all can look fresh with your kicks and don't look all crazy with your laces everywhere. So with all that being said, we're gonna get right into this tutorial. Let's get it. The first shoe we'll be demonstrating the lace style on is the Shadow ones of the most recent Air Jordan 1 drop, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is. So as you see, this is the first lace style right here. Check that out. It's give you like this neat look to it. It only lets you, most of my shoes like sloppy, loose lace or whatever. Go check out my old lace tutorials. And this is like one of them little classic looks, you feel me? You want to show that Nike Air sign. You want to not have your laces covering that sign. You want to throw in some nice tapered jeans to show that. Then that's where you get this lace style from, if you want to show that. So we can get right into it. Very simple, very simple. Not going to bug y'all minds or make y'all go crazy like it's rocket science. It's really not. Just giving y'all some styles and some ideas on how to rock Air Jordan 1s. So here you go. Take this out. You know your Air Jordan 1s don't come laced when they DS. You're going to lace them all the way up, as you can see. Lace them all the way up to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, the 7th eyelet right there, or the little hole, whatever you want to call it, under the gray. And you're going to put your strings through it, going to the inside. As you can see, it's going to the inside. You're going to grab your laces, and it's very simple. Just like you learned in kindergarten. You're gonna get the little dog ear, put the other dog ear through the hole, and you're gonna pull. And this give you that first nice, neat look to your Air Jordan 1s. You don't want to ever rock your Air Jordan 1s laced all the way up here, tied up, looking all crazy. I know some people might do it, it's just not my style. This is my style, man. And you never wanna put your laces through this little slit right here in your tongue. That's something I never did. So, rock it or not. If you don't like that, it's not the right place for you because that's not my style, man. So this is the first style. We'll get right into the on feet segment of this video. So let's get right into it, man. Let me know in the comment section below on how you like this one. Let's get it. The next shoe we'll be demonstrating this lace style on is the Royal ones, man. Another recent cop from last year that I got. Nice tumble leather around this joint. Nice leather, man, that bounce back. That's the word around the sneaker community now, is a bounce back. And here go the next lacing style here. You can see, got your laces just like that. Nothing too crazy. And to do this one, you do the same thing as that. You will lace them all the way up to the 7th eyelet, or whatever you want to call it. And you'll put the laces through. And let me show y'all how I did this, because it's very simple. It's not rocket science. Because some people don't rock they lace they shit the same way. So I'm trying to give y'all, like I'm saying, some ideas, you feel me? Nothing too crazy. You want to get this right here, 2 laces, as you can see. Grab your fingers, put a finger like this. You can see, wrap it around that finger, like that. Grab the 2 lace tips right there, and you want to put it through that hole you just made when you wrap the laces around your finger. And you're just gonna hold the hole you put it through and pull the laces, as you can see right there. That's all you do, man. I'm gonna do that again a little closer for y'all, because this one probably is kind of like,
how the hell you get a shoe like this? How the hell you just like that?
I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. So, you know, grab this right here, put your finger around it, put it under, and you're gonna put it through the hole you just made with your finger, like I was just saying. Put both lace tips through that hole. And that's how you get that. Just like that, man. And it look nice, look neat as well, but you still got that little sloppy look to it, you feel me? That loose lace. And this is how I rock my kicks, man. So if you rock with it, you rock with it. If you don't, fuck it, you feel me? But here you have it. Let's get to the on feet section of this lacing style. Let's get it. Okay, and the last way, the third way I lace my Air Jordan 1s, never steered different from any three of these. It's only three I could come up in my mind on how to do it, how to be different, you feel me? But this one right here is really just an OG classic look to your Air Jordan 1s, and it's laced all the way to the top, but you're not lacing them shits all the way tight with the dog ears, whatever you call them in kindergarten. You're gonna have it just like this. Very simple lacing style right here, man. Maybe the most common in the Air Jordan 1s as I've seen. You're just gonna put them all the way through, but you're not going to put them through that slit in the tongue, man. I don't like it. If I see you doing it, I'm gonna tell you I don't like it. If you ask me, I'm not gonna tell you like, I'm just gonna be like, hey, I never liked that, so it is what it is. But like I said, you're gonna put it all the way to the top, as you can see. Lay it down. You still got that loose lace to the shoe. Your foot don't look all confined or anything like that. And you can rock your kick, man, just like this. That is a very dope way as well. And these are the only three ways I really do it. So let's get into the on feet section of this lacing style. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys, this is it for the tutorial, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite lacing style on these Air Jordan 1s. I would really, really appreciate it. The comments, the feedback on this tutorial. And if you have any new ways on how you do your Air Jordan 1s, let me know on Instagram or let me know in the comment section below, because I really like to learn. This is how I did it since I've been wearing Air Jordan 1s. So, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, ring the notification bell for your boy, follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. The links will be in the description box below. And I'm gonna catch y'all in tomorrow's video. Peace.